Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be simplifying this arithmetic, fraction. The first thing we need to do whenever an arithmetic fraction is given, especially if it's comprised of mixed fraction, is to convert all the mixed fraction to their improper fraction. And also, we make use of the concept of BODMAS, also known as PEMDAS or PEDMAS, as it were, depending on how it has been explained to you. So the first thing I will do here is to convert this to its improper fraction equivalent, right? So 5 times 10, that is 50. 50 plus 2, that is 52. So this is 52 divided by 5 minus 3 times 6, 18 plus 2, that is what? 20 over 3. Then plus, this is 3, so we can write it as 3 over 1. So the next thing is for us to apply what? BODMAS. Well, there's no big deal about this because there are no complicated BODMAS operation here. None of this is present except addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction can be done together. So what I will just do is to take the LCM of 5 and 3. So LCM of 5 and 3 can actually be done by multiplying 5 by 3 because they are just the two numbers there. So 5 times 3 times 1. So that will give us what? 15, right? So 5 in 15, 3. Then we now multiply 3 by 52. 52 times 3. That will give us 156. So we have 156 here. Minus 3 in 15, 5. Then 5 times 20 will give us what? 100. Then plus 1 in 15, 15 times 3. That will give us what? 45. Okay. So let's just add this. We have 156 minus 100, right, plus 45. And that will give us 101. So we have 101 over what? 15. This is an improper fraction. So we want to take it back to mixed fraction. The best way we can solve it is how many 15 can we see in 101? You may decide to use calculator here if you decide so. And let me quickly chip in how you can use calculator to get it. So we have 101 divided by 15. Calculator gives us 6.7. So meaning that it is 60 number. This is 60 number something over 15. Okay. So we can say 6 times 15. 6 times 15. That is 90. So you just remove 90 from 101. So 101 minus 90, that will give you what? 11. So that will give you what? 11 over 15. So 6 times 15 plus 11 will give you 101 over 15. So that is the solution to that problem. I want to believe this video has helped someone. So please, if you have any question and you need further illustration, you can send a mail to us from the email we dropped, and you can drop a comment in the comment section as well. Please kindly subscribe so that we can be encouraged to produce more of these videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.